Ads. Who likes ads? You guys probably skipped an ad before seeing this video. Probably one of the most annoying things on the internet is ads. Except when we are the one running the ads. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys ads. Yeah, Roblox ads. And we're going to be discussing, is it worth it, paying for it, how much do they, how many clicks do you get, and yeah, all that good stuff. So, yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so you can see on the Roblox websites, I've run, oh god, too close. I've run 2 ads before. So I've run both of them for my random dropper game, which I don't make a lot of profit from this game. So I'm not going to be showing you guys how much money I make from it, because I don't make any, but I'm just going to be showing you guys how many clicks. So I have 2 ads here, as you can see. So this ad, you can see it's a square ad, and I've run it 1 time, and it got 44,000 impressions, but it only got 31 clicks, and you can see that the click-through rate is 0.07%, for a bid of 100 Robux. So this ad here is actually a banner ad, as you can see. So it says, can you make it to the top of the leaderboard? Click to play. And you can see that I ran it for 150 Robux the second time. It got 23,215 impressions, and it got clicked 69 times, which is for half the impressions of this one, it got clicked twice as much. And you can see that the total impressions here of the last time I ran it for 100 Robux, and I think, so the last time I ran it for 100 Robux, it got 55 total clicks. And you can see the click-through rate is 0.35%. So, first of all, let's talk about the best ads to make. So probably the best ads that you would want to make are banner ads. You can either make these banner ads right here that I make that go like this way, or you can make these banner ads right here. And you're probably wondering, like, why don't you make square ads? What's wrong with that? Well, first of all, square ads you can't do as much, and I mean, I don't even know where to find square ads, to be honest. I mean, where do you see square ads? Like, I don't think I've ever seen a square ad in Roblox before, so. And not as many people pay attention to those. Alright, so now let's talk about designing ads. And then after that, we're going to be running an ad for a game to see if it's worth it. So, designing an ad. So this is my ad that I ran here, as you can see. And you'll notice that, what is that tiny little pixel doing? You can notice that the background is rainbow. So this is a strategy that I use that you'll see for all my thumbnail videos, all my thumbnails, because rainbow backgrounds are likely to catch the person's attention, and then you're going to look at the rainbow background, and then you'll probably end up reading the ad, maybe if you're curious, even clicking on it. Which is probably why this one got so many clicks. And I mean, it worked on you, so why not try it on Roblox? So my suggestion is to put like an image, maybe some text, and then a rainbow background on it. So we're going to be designing an ad. Alright, so you can go to Pixlr E, which is a photo editing thing I use. So we're going to we're going to go back to Roblox actually, and you're going to go to the game that you want to advertise. So I think I'm going to, where's my game? Here it is. So you should check it out because I updated it recently. And actually a streamer played my game and it got like 60 visits from that. But alright, so you're going to click on create here to go to the game you want to advertise. Then you're going to find your place that you want to advertise right here. And you're going to click the settings button, the config button. and you're going to click advertise. So here you can upload ads, of course, but I want to create an ad so you guys can see. So you can choose any of these ads here, and then you can download them. So I think I'm going to do another rectangle ad. Oh, it's not rectangle. Okay, alright, I think I'm going to do another banner ad, So you can see it's going to bring you up to this template. You can right click and then click save image. So then you can just rename it whatever you want. Or name it your mom ad. There you go. So now we can just exit out of here. So you're going to go ahead and find wherever you saved your ad. I saved it to desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it's kind of hard to see because it's in a white background, but you can see that it's there. So back in Pixlr, we can click on open image, and I'm going to blur it out, but you can find the ad, your mom ad right here, and you can see it's going to open it up on the screen. So you can click select right here, the select tool, and you can drag it across the screen to select it. Close this ad here. Right, and then you can just click delete. So you can see you have a blank background image like that, and that is going to be, well, the background, of course. Alright, so you can open up Roblox Studio, and then we can open up our game that we want to advertise. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to take a screenshot that's going to be used for our ad. This is perfect because I'm already in the level I want a screenshot. So what I can do is you can hide all the UI, move this, you can actually disable that, I guess. So I'm just going to disable everything here, and then, there's a way to get rid of that, I forgot how. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and move this up as well. Like you can see, we have a pretty clear view of our level here. So we can take a screenshot like that. Alright, there we go. So we have our view here that we want a screenshot of. So then we can go ahead and take our screenshot. Alright, so I've taken a screenshot now, and now we can just go ahead and exit out. Alright, so what we can do now is we can actually open up our image. So we can click this plus button here, then click image, and then we can find our image. I'm going to be blurring this again. Alright, so I found my image here, and you're going to see that it's pretty big. Alright, which is fine. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to cut out all this blue stuff here, including the wall. There we go. And then I'm going to be moving it like in the middle, I guess, so you can see the entire level. Actually, we can go ahead and undo that, so you can click edit, undo, undo, undo. Because I actually want the blue to be there. There you go. And you can see the blue's there now. You can make it smaller. So that way it fits. There we go. And there you can see our level. Although I will cut out a little bit of it, like that maybe. And like that. And I can center it. There we go. Alright, so we have our image here. And to clean up this little patch right up there, what we can actually do is we can click on the heal tool here and make it smaller. There you go. Now it looks pretty normal. Alright, so that looks good. So now what we can do is we can click on the gradient tool. We can create a rainbow gradient, and oh gosh, undo that. We can click you make sure you selected the background layer, then you can do your rainbow gradient. So drag it. If you want it to be tilted, then you'll do it like this. If you want it to be tilted, then you'll drag it. So in my videos and stuff, I have it tilted. So do it from one corner to the next corner. If you want it to be straight, let's do it in a straight line like that. I wanted it to be a little bit slanted. I'm going to see if it looks better, because making pictures is all about like experimenting and all that. Actually, I think it looks better without the blue there, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. There we go. And then we can go ahead and add in our text. So can you beat, also whatever color you want the text to be, you need to have it selected in this color palette before you write the text. So right now it's going to be black, but it won't be in a bit. Can you beat the last level and get so ads are kind of about clickbait, so there's no treasure, but I'm going to say that anyway. We're probably not even going to make it to the last level. So can you beat the last level and get the treasure? And you can go ahead and resize it. Don't worry if it's too big, because you're just going to make it, oopsie, just going to make it smaller, like that. And that, there you go. So now it says, can you beat the last level and get the treasure? And then we can add in a new text layer right here. It'll say random dropper. And then we can go down the line, click to play, like that. This one we can actually make bigger, so it can fit better, like that. So there we go, we have a pretty good looking ad. Alright, so then what we can do now is you can click File, and then we'll click Save. I'm just going to name it Ad, and then we can save it as a PNG and download it. And then you'll choose which area you want to download it. And so back in Roblox here, when we're back in the Create User Ad, we can go ahead and drag and drop the ad like that. So you can see it's going to be taking up a little space, but that's good. Alright, so we have our ad there. And now we can name our ad. So let's name it Random Dropper Update, like that. And then we can go ahead and click Upload. So then what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to be approved. And then we can actually use stuff on it, use it. So when it's approved, it's obviously going to look stretched out like this one, or stretched together. When you click on it, it'll look normal. So we're just going to go ahead and wait. It may take a while to be approved, maybe like 5 minutes or so. Alright, so you can see I just refreshed it, and we have like a squished out image here. So when I click it, you can see, can you beat the last level and get the treasure? Random dropper, click to play. So you can see it did work. Alright, so before we run it, I'd like to give you a suggestion. Never run ads on the weekend. You want to know why? Because there are humongously rich developers. It literally says richest up here, which is, I think that's kind of funny. But they spend hundreds of thousands of Robux running ads on the weekends. And if you also decide to run your ad on the weekend, you are not going to get any impressions at all. So I recommend to only run ads on the weekday. So we can click settings, and we're going to run ad. We're going to bid our Robux. I'm going to do 75, and you can see it's going to run for 24 hours. And then we'll click run. You can see we're estimated to get 11,000 impressions. So then I think this ad got 15,000 impressions. That's 100 Robux. So we're gonna see how many visits it can get. And yeah, we'll go ahead and check up on it tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been over a day now, so let's go check on how our ad did. So we're gonna go to your browser. Oops, on the other tab. Alright, so you're going to go to the browser, and you're going to go to the Roblox website. And then you're going to click on Create. And then Group Create. If it's an ad for your game, you go to User Ads. But for me, I'm going to go to group creations here and then click user ads. And you can see the impressions we got. So we got 8,254 impressions and 21 clicks. So it's not, I don't think their ad did that good.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. You can find instructions in the help section of your Alexa
app. Okay, so as I was saying, you can go find our game here, and it looks like we actually got another dislike, which is sad, and we got no extra likes. And let's see, so it looks like out of the 8,000 people who saw our ad, 21 people clicked our ad. We only got 4 people who actually played our game. If you look at the changes here, it was I think 865 before. So it's been over a day, by the way. So that's why I won yesterday was only 3. So yeah, is it worth it? That's up to you to decide. I made no profit from it because the only thing I have is 2 game passes and a game tag. And I also have a donate area. So you can see I made no profit here, no sales. But yeah, but another reason could be that I advertised my game on a Monday, which is after a weekend, which is when everybody is advertising. So that might be why. But yeah, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.